So the first thing I'm going to show you is a closed mouth smile. And you can actually do this with just 3 lines. So start off with a line going across and then curving up on one side. Next, just draw a small C shape in the corner and then draw a smaller line underneath the mouth. And like I've said before, when your character doesn't have lips, this small line seems to make the mouth look much better. So the next type of smile I'm going to show you is an open mouthed smile, but with only the teeth showing. So start off by drawing the same 2 lines as before, but instead of drawing that small line underneath, you need to draw a line that starts off at the top, comes down on a steep angle, curves, and then goes to the side. Then after you've done that, just draw another curved line that connects the top and bottom lips together. And that is basically how you do the outside shape of the smile. And I'm just going to make a quick copy of this so I can show you something else afterwards as well. Now I'm going to show you what to do on the inside of the mouth. Start off with a line that goes straight down and then darken the corners of the mouth. Then go to the other corner and do the same. And what this does is basically show the shape of the teeth. Now the next thing you need to do is draw 2 small lines going across, but make sure that they do not connect in the middle. And then there's one more thing you can do if you want, and that's add in that small line underneath the mouth. So the third type of smile I'm going to show you is an open mouth smile again, but this time we're going to be showing the teeth and the tongue. And this smile can actually be used if your character is laughing as well. So start off by drawing the shape of the top teeth. And as you can see, I've actually left space on both sides of the teeth, and I will darken those later on. Next, I'm going to draw in the tongue, and this is very easy. Just draw 2 curved lines. And then after you've done that, just darken the rest of the mouth. And then if you want, just add that small line underneath the mouth as well. Now, as you can see, all 3 smiles were quick and easy to draw, but look great. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and if you're new, remember to subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.